And when you talk about laws, this is somebody who has grounds to even sue the government. IVA is applied in 2005. You're talking about 19 years ago.
Imagine.
And haven't been paid. This is shrinking the economy.
I can assure you, Troy, that these people have gone to court. They have judgments. Others are even on appeal levels. It's only that maybe they have not gone to the Supreme Court. But having a judgment against government is just a paper. I mean, because the government does not. There are orders which government does not respect, but the one they don't respect most is the one on payment. Because they just tell you don't have money. What do you want to do? You can't auction government properties. See, that's where now you you hit a brick wall. So they tell you just wait. In any case, you took us to court. Now it becomes a crime taking them to court. So. But looking at it, I think, as Kimani is saying, we need to have a very clear law on how government is behaving, because that those are monies which should have been able to help the economy grow. If you throw 600 billion into the economy, I'm sure we will not even care about the taxes, because the money will be enough to circulate around the economy, and there will be a lot of business to be done. Not with the governments this time, but but with the private sector, because they will have a lot of disposable income, and that will be able to have a multiplier effect. But when you starve people their legitimate monies, you make them suffer psychological anguishes, you make them go to depressions, you make them to lose their status and self-esteem in society, because you deprive them of their esteem. And that is something which we need to look at as a country, because that's now government stealing from its people. Because why will you be holding my money for 15 years and you keep saying that you are verifying? If I did a road in 15 years, and most probably for Kera, will that road be even there? Most probably by now it could be tarmacked. So what are you going to verify at this point? And it has been already, someone else might have been done it like 5 or 10 times over. So what are you still verifying? Let's just agree that let government be able to come up with a clear formulation. In court, we have, when we have a backlog in cases, we call all the judges sometimes, and from all the stations, if it's in Kerugoya, they go there for a whole month. They work on the backlog so that they reduce the cases. Government should be able to collect all disposable resources, put them towards settling these debts, so that these people can be able to be paid, especially the old debts. Let's say all the pending bills should be able to maybe go back 2 years only. Let's clear the rest behind, so that we don't keep reinventing the wheel. We are just moving and creating more and saying we are still verifying. Verifying is just an excuse. They just don't want to pay. But then you might say that, they don't have monies. When you don't have monies, you come up with clear strategies on trying to you restructure the way you are engaging. At no point does government procure services for something they have not been able to budget for. So I don't know how exactly these pending bills come up. It means either somebody is engaging in some funny tricks and the government is allowing it. And by allowing it, it means government is sleeping on the job and wants to impoverish its people.